Hi, I'm Kian, and today I want to show you how to use the ratio test to find if the series converges or diverges. So we have this series from 1 to infinity of n factorial over 3 to the n, and I want to use a ratio test. So first of all, I'm going to evaluate the absolute value. First of all, let's call this expression n factorial over 3 to the n. Let's call it a sub n. an, like a sequence. So in the absolute value, I should evaluate the product of a sub n plus 1 multiplied by the reciprocal of a sub n. So first of all, a sub n plus 1 is just n plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 factorial all over 3 to the power of n plus 1. And then multiplied by the reciprocal of a sub n, which is just 3 to the power of n over n factorial. Now, first of all, I can simplify this expression. So I can write it as 3 to the power of n and then multiplied by 3. I can write this expression as n factorial times n plus 1. Now we can have some nice cancellation, these two n factorials, this 3 to the power of n and this 3 to the power of n. And for our final expression, we just have n plus 1 over 3. Now I should take the limit. Let's write the limit, lim. Now for my final step, I should just take the limit as n approaches infinity of this expression outside of the absolute value that we found. So I should find the limit as n approaches infinity of n plus 1 over 3. And we can see that clearly if we plug in infinity, we just get infinity over 3. So the limit just goes to infinity. And we can see that infinity, because in ratio tests we have 3 rules. When we find the expression to the absolute value and take the limit, we say that if the limit is greater than 1, then we can conclude that this original series converges. If the limit is less than 1, if the limit is less than 1, we can conclude that it converges. If the limit is greater than 1, we can conclude it diverges. And if it is equal to 1, we can say it is just inconclusive. That means we should use another method. So in this case, infinity is far more larger than 1. So for our conclusion, we can conclude that the series from n as n goes from 1 to infinity of n factorial over 3 to the power of n diverges by the ratio test. Ratio test. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and watch